Hey guys, Shukesh here. So today I bring you the all new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and in this video I'm gonna talk about what's new on the hardware as well as on the software compared to its predecessor Note 10 Plus and also the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the S Pen, which is now shifted to the left part of the Note, and previously on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus the latency was 42 ms. Now it's down to 9 ms only. That's almost instantaneous and it gives us real pen like feel. And one thing I want to mention here, Apple Pencil also has the same latency of 9 ms, so the S Pen on the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is now on par the amazing Apple Pencil. Another important upgrade on the 2020 Galaxy Note is the inclusion of 120Hz refresh rate display, which was also in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, one thing to note here, you cannot lock the refresh rate to 120Hz. In fact, you can either use 60Hz or VRR, that is variable refresh rate, which can be 120Hz in gaming, 60Hz in movie streaming, and 30Hz on the Gmail or Outlook, and can be as low as 10Hz in still images and also in browser. This will reduce up to 22% battery consumption of the display, and also Samsung claims while shifting the frequencies there won't be any visible flickering which can strain your eyes. On the exterior, there are a couple of new upgrades. For example, at the front as well as at the back, you get the all new Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the toughest Gorilla Glass yet, and it's not even on the S20 Ultra. In fact, the new Note 20 doesn't come with the new glass. In fact, the back panel is plastic. The new velvet touch back of this Note 20 Ultra feels so awesome, so smooth and rich. I'm in love with this mystic bronze color, and it's almost fingerprint resistant. Another important upgrade is, for the first time you get stainless steel frame on a Samsung Galaxy. So instead of aluminum you get stainless steel, which feels much more rich. And another thing, this year's Note 20 Ultra also offers a better screen to body ratio of 91.7% more than S20 Ultra or Note 10 Plus. The new Galaxy S20 Ultra gets one UI update of 2.5, and one thing to mention here, if you're getting the Snapdragon variant, you are getting upgraded chipset, that is 865 plus, but if you are on Exynos, that is if you are from India or other Asian countries, then it's the same as S20 Ultra, that is Exynos 990. Now of course you get 8K overkill video recording with the rear camera up to 24 fps, that is like 33 megapixel 24 photos in 1 second. That is like crazy. Of course it's borrowed from the S20 Ultra, but there is some improvement in the camera department compared to the S20 Ultra, that is in the telephoto zoom lens, which is now 5x optical compared to 4x on the S20 Ultra, and the aperture is also bigger, f3.0 compared to f3.5. The maximum hybrid zoom is now capped at 50x, that is the digital zoom is like 10x, whereas on the S20 Ultra you get 100x hybrid zoom, that is the digital zoom is 25x, which is a total gimmick. The pictures are almost unusable, so I think it's a welcome change. The base model of Note 20 Ultra 5G comes with 128GB of storage, which is half of what you had on the Note 10 Plus's base model. There is also no 16GB RAM option on the Note 20 Ultra, unlike the S20 Ultra. Another minor upgrade I want to include here, you get USB 3.2, which is somewhat better than USB 3.1 on the Note 10 Plus. The battery on this phone is 4500 mAh lithium ion, bigger than Note 10 Plus's 4300 mAh and smaller than S20 Ultra's 5000 mAh battery. This year's Note 20 Ultra lacks Samsung's 45-watt fast charging, which was even there on the Note 10 Plus and of course on the S20 Ultra, so that's a downgrade, I will say. Instead of getting the S20 Ultra's 40 megapixel front-facing camera, Samsung kept the same resolution as the Note 10 Plus, that is 10 megapixel with bigger pixels for better low light and noise handling. You can capture 4K 60 FPS videos as well. There are numerous added software features on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Those are very interesting and also very useful in day-to-day life usage. For example, this nearby sharing is very handy sometimes for sharing media. There is also music share, which lets nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker. The Samsung DeX now allows you to wirelessly connect to your smart TV and use your TV to get a PC-style desktop experience. You can use the phone's display as the trackpad or use the phone as you do to make calls and other functions. Right now, smart TV support is there and monitor support is on the way. There is also something called Link to Windows, where you can link your Galaxy Note to your Windows PC and simply drag and drop your photos, videos. You can also access your notifications, your messages, and access your favorite applications, order food, book an Uber. Samsung is actually building a new ecosystem, collaborating with Microsoft, and a new update is coming up next November, which will enable Samsung Notes to sync to OneNote on your PC and also Outlook. Samsung and Microsoft partnership also includes 100 plus Xbox Game Pass for the Galaxy Note 20 and 20 Ultra users. Samsung has added new S Pen gestures on the Air actions. You can access to your navigation bar and also perform other actions on different applications just by waving the S Pen from a distance. So that's really cool. I will talk more about this on my tips and tricks videos. PDF support has been added to the Samsung Notes, so you can simply annotate, edit your PDFs on the go. And also there is this new audio bookmark, that is you can record audio while you are drawing something or annotating or simply taking a note. So that's cool. Guys, we are at the end of the video, and this is just a quick glimpse of what the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has to offer and how it's improved from its predecessor. Do you think it's worth upgrade? Well, I personally don't think so because of the pricing. I mean, you can get the Note 10 Plus at almost half the price. Comment and share your thoughts. This is Shukesh signing off.